Mercedes took the veils off the much-anticipated second generation of the AMG GT today. The Porsche 911 rival from a Falterbach has an evolutionary approach in styling but brings improved comfort and practicality, coming with an optional 2+2 layout. The new GT is exclusively offered in coupe form, leaving the open-air driving to the mechanically related SL Roadster. While featuring the latest in performance and chassis technology from AMG, including a standard variable all-wheel drive system, the model rides on 20-inch wheels as standard, but it's also available with optional 21-inch alloys. The new AMG GT is 182 mm, 7.2 inches, longer, measuring 4,728 mm, 186.1 inches. With a wheelbase of 2,700 mm, 106.3 inches, being stretched by 70 mm, 2.8 inches. The new generation is also 45 mm, 1.8 inches, wider and 66 mm, 2.5 inches, taller compared to its predecessor. Despite the familiar looks and proportions, the AMG GT is based on a new architecture made of aluminum, steel, magnesium, and fiber composites, glass and carbon, which allows extra room for the 2+2 layout on a larger boot. The dashboard with the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the 11.9-inch infotainment screen is carried over from the SL. The AMG Performance steering wheel and the bucket seats with integrated headrests, which are optionally ventilated, create a premium yet sporty atmosphere. Space at the back looks quite cramped, as in most 2+2 offerings, with the rear seats being suitable for children or individuals measuring up to 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet, tall. Cargo capacity ranges between 321 lieutenant, 11.3 cubic feet, to 675 lieutenant, 23.8 cubic feet, making it suitable for longer trips. The model will be available in two V8 powered guises. The entry-level 55 makes 469 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, 476 PS, and 700 Newton meters, 516 pound-feet, of torque, allowing a 0 to 100 km per hour, 0-62 miles per hour, in an SL matching 3.9 seconds and a top speed of 295 km per hour, 183 miles per hour. The more potent GT63 makes 577 horsepower, 430 kilowatts, 585 PS, and 800 Newton meters, 590 pound-feet, of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0-62 miles per hour, in 3.2 seconds, and topping out at 315 km per hour, 195.7 miles per hour. The sports car is exclusively available with a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift automatic that is now mounted behind the engine, featuring a wet starting clutch instead of a torque converter. Unlike its rear-wheel drive predecessor, the GT now comes standard with the fully variable AMG Performance 4 Modich Plus all-wheel drive system. The standard kit also includes tech goodies like the AMG Active Ride Control suspension with active roll stabilization, an electronically controlled rear locking differential, active rear axle steering, and active aerodynamics. The new Mercedes-AMG GT is expected to arrive in the US in the first half of 2024. Pricing has yet to be announced, but the sports car is expected to be more expensive than the equivalent SL Roadster.